Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn CBSE class 10 chapter 4 quadratic equations. Okay, so what is quadratic equation? An equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is called quadratic equation. See here the degree is 2. Now in this video we will solve exercise 4.1. First one is check whether the following are quadratic equations. First one is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2x minus 3. We have to check whether the given equation is quadratic or not. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. First one is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Here we have left hand side x plus 1 whole square. See, this is of the form a plus b whole square. Now we have to expand it by using the formula a plus b whole square. We know a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So left hand side it will become a square means it is x here. X square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square. And right hand side it is 2 into x minus 3. Here we have x square plus 2 into 1 into x. So it is 2x plus 1 is equal to right hand side 2 into x. It is 2x. 2 into minus 3 it is minus 6. Now we have to solve it. X square plus 2x plus 1. Now we have to bring whatever is there on the left hand side. Sorry, right hand side to the left hand side. So plus 2x when goes to the left hand side will become minus 2x. Minus 6 goes to the left hand side, it will become plus 6 equal to 0. Now we have x square, 2x and minus 2x get cancelled. 1 plus 6 becomes 7 equal to 0. Now the degree of the equation is 2. So it is a quadratic equation and it is also of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Hope it is clear. Now second one is x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 3 minus x. So here x square minus left hand side it is x square minus 2x. Right hand side minus 2 into 3 minus x. That means we have to multiply 3 in minus 2 into 3 it is minus 6. Now minus 2 into minus x, so it will become minus into minus will become plus 2x. Now we have to simplify x square minus 2x. Now when the right hand side is minus 6 from the right hand side goes to the left hand side, it will become plus 6. Plus 2x goes to the left hand side, it will become minus 2x equal to 0. So here we have x square minus 2x and minus 2x. Minus 2 plus minus 2x minus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. Now see, the degree is 2 and it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Hope it is clear. Now left hand side we have x minus 2 into x plus 1. Right hand side is x minus 1 into x plus 3. Now we have to simplify. So we have to multiply x into x. X into x is x square. X into plus 1. It is x. Minus 2 into x minus 2x. Minus 2 into plus 1 minus 2 equal to right hand side x into x, x square, x into 3, 3x, minus 1 into x, minus x, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Now we have x square here on the left hand side and here on the right hand side. Both are having here also plus x square, here also plus x square. Both having same sign, so it will get cancelled, x square and x square. Now what is left? X minus 2x, that means minus x minus 2, and we have to bring Okay, 3x minus x, so it is 2x minus 3. Now here we have minus x. You have to bring it to the left hand side, then it will become minus 2x. Next is minus 2. When minus 3 comes to the left hand side, it will become plus 3 equal to 0. We have minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. See, the power is 1. Therefore, it is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c. So what happens? Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means it should be of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Here it is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c. So see, this is minus 3x plus 1. So this is a linear equation. Okay, it's not a quadratic equation. Now we have x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to right hand side x into x plus y. Now see, x into 2x, when you multiply it will become 2x square. Now x into plus 1, so it will become x. Minus 3 into 2x, so it is minus 6x. Minus 3 into plus 1, minus 3. Now let us see what is happening on the right hand side. X into x, x square, x into 5 plus 5x. That's all. Now see, we have 2x square. Now here 1x square, isn't it? We will bring this to the, wait, before that x minus 6, we will solve that. Minus 5x. And here it is minus 3. Now right hand side we have x square plus 5x. Now we will simplify. 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Now whatever on the right hand side, it is x square plus x square. When comes to the left hand side, minus x square plus 5x. When goes to the left hand side, it is becoming minus 5x equal to 0. Now here we have 2x square. Similar terms, we are going to subtract 2x square minus x square. It will be x square minus 5x and minus 5x. So both of them are having same negative sign. Minus 5 and minus 5. So minus 10x. Now minus 3 is left. So we got an equation like this. X square minus 10x minus 3. See, here the degree is 2. So it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. An equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is quadratic. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Okay. Hope it is clear. Now here we have 2x minus 1 into x minus 3. X plus 5 into x minus 1. Okay. So left hand side it is 2x minus 1 into x minus 3. Let us solve that side. 2x into x. 2, that is equal to 2x square. Now 2x into minus 3. 2 to minus 3 minus 6x. Minus 1 into x minus x. Minus 1 into minus 3. Minus into minus will become plus. So it is plus 3. Now right hand side. X into x. X square. X into minus 1. Minus x. Plus 5 into x. Plus 5x. Plus 5 into minus 1. Minus 5. Now let us simplify. 2x square minus 6x minus x. So it will become minus 7x. Plus 3 equal to x square minus x plus 5x. Minus x means here it is minus 1x, isn't it? Minus 1 plus 5. So it will be plus 4x minus 5. Now we will bring whatever on the right hand side to the left hand side. So it will become 2x square minus 7x plus 3 minus x square plus 4x will become minus 4x, minus 5 will become plus 5 equal to 0 here. Now 2x square minus x square, it is x square minus 7 minus 4, minus 7 and minus 4. So it will be minus 11x. 3 plus 5, it is 8 equal to 0. Now see, the degree is 2. It is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Hope it is clear now. Now we will do sixth one. X square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x minus 2 whole square. See, left hand side it is x square plus 3x plus 1. Now right hand side it is of the form a minus b whole square. So we have to expand it using that formula. We know a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a is x. So it will be a square is x square minus 2 into a is x and b is 2ab into b square. B is 2. So it will be 2 square. Now here we have x square plus 3x plus 1 and right hand side x square minus 2 into 2 minus 4x plus 4. See, x square plus 3x plus 1. Now we have to bring whatever on the right hand side to the left hand side. To plus x square when goes to the left hand side will become minus x square minus 4x goes to the left hand side become plus 4x plus 4 when goes to the left hand side become minus 4. Now x square and minus x square both got cancelled. Now 3x plus 4x. 3 plus 4 7x. 1 and minus 4. See, here it is plus 1, here it is minus 4. So it will become minus 3 equal to 0. See, the power is 1 here, degree is 1 here. Therefore, it is not of the form, what? Ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Hope it is clear. Now we will do next question. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. Now here it is of the form a plus b whole cube. We know the expansion of a plus b whole cube. It is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now we will expand the left hand side using this formula. So we have x plus 2 whole cube. This is our left hand side. And 2x into x square minus 1 is the right hand side. So x plus 2 whole cube, when you expand using the formula a plus b whole cube, it will be a cube. So a is x here. So it is x cube. B is 2 here. B cube means 2 cube plus 3 into a into b. 3 into x into 2. Inside the bracket a plus b. Here a is x, b is 2. So a plus, that is x plus 2. Right hand side it is 2x into x square minus 1. Now we have to multiply that. X cube. So here it will be x cube. 2 cube is 8. 2 3s are 6. 6x into x plus 2. Right hand side 2x into x square is 2x cube. 2x into minus 1 is minus 2x. Now x cube plus 8 plus 6x square. Again 6x into 2 12x equal to 2x cube minus 2x. So left hand side it is x cube plus 6x square plus 12x minus 2x cube. See, whatever on the right hand side we have to bring to the left hand side. So plus 2x cube when goes to the left hand side become minus 2x cube and minus 2x will become plus 2x. X cube minus 2x cube minus x cube. 6x square 12x plus 2x will become 14x. And minus plus 8 is there. Yeah, okay, plus 8 is there. That way we write here. Now see, here the degree is 3. It is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c. So is it a quadratic equation? No, it is not a quadratic equation. 8th one, it is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equal to right hand side x minus 2 whole cube. Now we have, see, this is of the form a minus b whole cube. We know the expansion of a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, so the left hand side is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, and the right hand side it is x minus 2 whole cube. So when you expand this using the formula a minus b whole cube, it will become a cube. A is x, x cube, and b is 2. B cube means 2 cube. Minus 3 into a into b. A is x, b is 2. 3ab, 3x into 2 into a minus b, x minus 2. So that is x cube minus 2 cube is 8, minus 3 into 2 minus 6x into x minus 2. Now that is x cube minus 8 minus 6x square plus 12x. Okay. Now the left hand side we have here x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, and right hand side it is x cube minus 8 minus 6x square plus 12x. Now we have to bring whatever on the right hand side to the left hand side. So it is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1, and plus x cube moves to the left hand side become minus 8 when it moves to the left, plus 8 minus 6x square when moves to the left becomes plus 6, plus 12x become minus 12x equal to 0. Now x cube minus x cube, both of them got cancelled. Now minus 6x square plus 2x square, so it becomes 2x square minus 4 plus 6, it is plus 2. Minus x minus 12x minus 1 minus 12 minus 13x plus 1 plus 8, so it is plus 9 equal to 0. Now see here the degree is 2. Therefore it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Now we will do second question. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. First one is the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the. Now it is given area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. It is given length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth, but we don't have any idea about the breadth. See, the length is given on the basis of the breadth, but we don't have any idea about the breadth. So let us consider the breadth to be x. So we will take, let the breadth be x. Now we will see what is the length. Then as per the question, length, okay, that means length is equal to 1 more than twice its breadth. So what is twice the breadth? Twice, if breadth is x, twice the breadth means 2 times breadth, that is 2 into x, and it is given 1 more, that means we have to add 1. So length is equal to 2x plus 1. Is it clear now? Now we know area of the rectangle. What is the formula for the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle, it is, we have learned, length into breadth. So here length is 2x plus 1 and breadth is x. So it will be 2x plus 1 length into breadth x. So that is x, we have to multiply x into 2x, that is equal to 2x square, x into 1 plus x. Now in the question it is given, how it is given? Area, there is a numerical value, area it is given as 528, that means 2x square plus x is equal to, what is the numerical value as given in the question? It is 528. Now we have to form an equation. So how we will form quadratic equation? 2x square plus x. Now we have to bring this value to the left hand side. So plus 528 will become minus 528, that is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. Hope it is clear. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. We are taking two consecutive positive integers, for example 3 and 4. See 3 here. What is 4? 4 is 3 plus 1, isn't it? Suppose if 3 is x, now what can you say about 4? 4 is 3 plus 1. That means it is x plus 1. Same like that. Take another two positive integers like 7 and x. If 7 is x, what is 8? We know 8 is 7 plus 1. That means 8 is equal to x plus 1. Okay. So, let us consider, let x be first one. Okay. One positive integer. Then what will be the other one? Other integer will be, other consecutive positive integer will be x plus 1. Is it clear? Now given their product is equal to 306. That means x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. Now we have to form the equation. So x into x, it is x square. X into plus 1, it is x. Right hand side, it is 306. Now we have x square plus x. When 306 goes to the left hand side, it will become minus 306 equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. Now third question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. Given Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So they are talking about the present situation. At present, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. But we don't have any idea about Rohan's age. Only mother's age is told on the basis of Rohan's age. So let us assume the present age of Rohan be x. Then what will be mother's age as per the question? Mother's age is equal to 26 years older. That means she is x plus 26. Isn't it? Now this is the present situation. Let us see what happens after 3 years, because the second condition is given like that. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now. That means a situation that arises after 3 years. So first let us see. After 3 years, what will be Rohan's age? Rohan's age, that is equal to x plus 23. Now mother's present age is x plus, Rohan's age is x plus 3 after 3 years. Okay. Mother's present age is x plus 26. So mother's age after 3 years, that is present age x plus 26 plus 3. Is it clear? This is her present age and we are adding 3 with that in order to get her age after 3 years. So it is x plus 26 plus 3. So that will be x plus 29. So we got both of their ages, x plus 3 and x plus 29 after 3 years. Now 3 years, the product as per the question, product of their ages is given 360. So x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. Now we have to simplify. So it will be x into x, x square, x into 29 plus 29x plus 3x. Now 3 into 29. So it is 87 equal to 360. Now we have to simplify. X square plus 29 plus 3, it is 32x plus 87. Now we have to bring 360 to the left hand side. So it will become minus. Now finally the equation will become x square plus 32x, 87 minus 360. So when you subtract 360 87 from 360, you will get minus 273 equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed. Now, here the distance is 480 km. Okay. Now, it is given that if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. See, we don't have any idea about the speed. So, let the uniform speed be x. Now, we know the distance formula. Distance formula is distance is equal to speed into time. Now, let the time taken be t1. Okay. So, initial timing. Okay. Now, distance it is given 480 in the question. Speed we have assumed as x and we have taken time as t1. So, when you put the values in the formula, you will get 480 is equal to x into t1. Now, when x goes to the left hand side, here it is multiplication. So, multiplication when moves to the other side, it will become division, isn't it? So, 480 by x is equal to t1. Now, we got the value for t1 as 480 by x. Now, it is given in the question that the speed is decreased by 8. So, when the speed is decreased by 8 km per hour, then new speed it is x, that is a uniform speed, minus 8. Now, let it minus 8. Now, let t2 be the new timing. So, when you put the values in the distance formula, we have distance is equal to speed x minus 8 into t2. Now, again, when this one goes to the other side, here it is multiplication. When it moves to the other side, it will become division. So, it will be 480 by x minus 8 is equal to t2, new timing. Now, when the speed is decreased, you know, it will take more time. So, what is that more time as given in the question? That is initial timing t1 plus 3 hours is equal to t2. Okay. So, what is t1? t1 is 480 by x and plus 3 is equal to t2 is 480 by x minus 8. Now, we have to bring everything to one side, then it would be like 480. So, 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equal to 3. Okay, now from here we can take 480 commonly outside. So, what is left inside? 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Now, we have, we can bring this 480 to the right hand side. Then it will become 3 by 480. Okay, so 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x. Now 480 it is multiplication. So when it comes to the right hand side, it will become division. So 3 by 480. Now the LCM here, x minus 8 into x. So LCM is x minus 8 into x. And we have to multiply 1 with this x minus and this one with x minus 8. X minus 8 equal to 3 by 480. Okay. Now that is equal to x. When you remove the bracket, it will become minus a x and plus 8 by x minus 8 into x equal to 3 by 480. So that will be minus x and minus x will go 8 by x into x, x square minus 8x equal to 3 and 480 you can reduce. 3 it is 1 time 160. So it will be 1 by 160. Now you have to do the cross multiplication. Then it will be x square minus 8x into 1. X square minus 8x equal to 8 into 160. So that is equal to x square minus 8x equal to 1280. Now that will be x square minus 8x. Now 1280 when it goes to the left hand side will become minus. So that is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation.